Welcome back to my channel, my lovely peeps. It's a beautiful day here in sunny Florida. And I hope wherever you guys are, my viewers and subscribers, I hope it's a beautiful and blessed day too.
Okay, so this is Mama P in the kitchen. So what are you making today, Mom?
Okay, well today I am going to make some festival.
All right, nice. All right, so tell me, what's the ingredients?
Well, the ingredient here, I have 2.5 cup of all-purpose flour already sifted. I have some cornmeal, I have some sugar, I have butter, I have vanilla, I have baking powder, and some salt. And of course I have a cup of water there.
All right, nice.
Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and put my cornmeal in, all the dry ingredients. The sugar, baking powder, salt. And just let it sit that too. Now when you sift it, it comes out more light and fluffy, so that's why I like to sift it.
I guess sugar is hard to shift.
It's just a little bit, so I just finished put that in there. So let me give that a stir. I'm gonna go ahead with my butter. Getting the butter together.
Is there a reason you put the butter in like that with the dry ingredients?
Yes, so you can have it just assimilate itself together with that. And make it more, nice and soft.
All right.
And fluffy. Because if you put it in the wet ingredient, it's not gonna melt, so fast in there, and I don't want that.
All right.
Well, what I'm going to do, I'm going to put it in the mixer. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to take out a little bit here, just in case when I put it in the mixer, if after it finish mixing, it need, to get a little tighter if it's too soft, then I can just use this with my hands.
Oh, all right.
So what I'm going to do, I'm going to mix the vanilla into the water. All right, so let me get my mixer pan. I'm going to put this in the mixer.
And if someone doesn't have a mixer, they just have to do it by hand?
I have my nails, so I don't want to knead it with my hands.
Make sure, guys, you see how she has to keep pushing it down so it can mix everything. But like she said, if you don't have a mixer, you just have to do it manually. And this is going to take a few minutes.
I think it's ready. Alright, let me take it out.
I see, so it looked like the mixer kind of did half of the job.
like it's a little soft, so I'm gonna just sprinkle a little of this over there. A little more. And you just want it to be just right, not to be too soft, so you can make your dumpling, because then they will just stick to your hands. So you just want it just right. Let's see.
Is that the texture you want, Mom?
Yeah, just a little bit more. Let me put a little bit more in there.
You see, guys, it's not too tough. It's not, but you see she can still pierce it. That's the texture you want for the festival.
Mm-hmm. A little bit more, because it's sticking to my hands and I don't want it to stick too much to my hands when I'm making it. So alright, so this is exactly how I want it. So I'm just gonna leave it there to set for about 10 minutes and then I'm gonna come back and cook it. Alright, let me cover it. Cover it for about 10 minutes. Alright, my 10 minutes up. Oh, here is my dough. This is what it looks like.
You can break it up, Mom, and so they can see.
I am going to take off a little piece and then I'm gonna just roll them like that.
But you see, guys, you see how it is? It's not too soft or anything like that.
Yeah, I'm gonna put them here.
You see how they look? That's what you're looking for.
They can make them a little bigger if they want.
You see, with festival, you don't have to make them neat or anything. That's usually how they
Nice
like
and
long
long.
rolls. Yeah, like long rolls like that.
Alright, so I'm just gonna wait on the oil to get warm. Let me leave this right here. Alright, so here I'm gonna put in my festival because I think my oil is hot. And of course you don't want your oil to be too hot because you don't want it to burn.
You want the flour to cook through.
So you just put it on medium to low heat.
Barely hear any sound, so that means that it's not hot where it's like shh, none of that.
You don't want to overcrowd your pot either, because these are going to swell. So
You just want them to cook properly.
alright, so now I'm going to turn them over because I don't want them to burn.
They smell so good.
Oh, they want to fry some more. Not ready yet. Alright, let them stay there, fry some more. Okay, I think my first batch is ready, so I'm going to take them out. Now I'm going to go in with my second batch. Alright, this is my last batch.
Yes, the last one.
And I'm about to take them out. Let them see how nice and soft. See how nice and soft the inside look, guys.
Yeah.
Yes.
How it tastes, Mom?
It's really good.
Nice and sweet and fluffy.
right, so that's the end of it. Okay, there you have it, guys. Nice and fluffy, authentic Jamaican festival. And I paired it with some plantains and some fish because you know it's a time of Lent now, and during the course of Lent we eat a lot of fish. So I paired it with that. So to all my viewers and subscribers, please like, share and subscribe. And I'll see you in another video. Thank you and God bless.